gun.
He's got your gun. He's reaching for it. He's reaching for your gun. You let go. You let go.
Shit. Hit him.
Put your arms behind your back or you're going to get it again.
Put your arms behind your back. Other arm.
Give us your other arm or I'm going to hit you again with the taser.
I have a broken clavicle.
Give us your other.
The suspect, 35-year-old homeless man Adon, was actually not the wanted man police thought he was. Police were looking for Alejandro Rosales Castillo, a former fugitive on the FBI's 10 most wanted list for the 2016 murder of his co-worker. He was recently captured in Mexico in January 2026 after nearly a decade on the run. The incident in the bodycam footage took place a year prior in January 2025 in Rice Lake, Wisconsin.
Hello. Hi, we got called here to talk to you.
For?
Huh?
For?
Some people were worried about you. They wanted to make sure you were okay.
That I'm okay? I'm a paying customer.
Yeah. Yeah, people are just called worried about you.
For what, sitting down?
No, I think they saw all your stuff and were worried making sure you're okay.
I'm fine.
Okay. What's your name?
What do you need my name?
I'm just asking.
I'm alright, thank you.
Okay. Are you from Rice Lake?
Don't worry about it, you can leave. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Just checking some stuff out.
In front of me?
Yeah. Standing right here checking some stuff out.
You're kind of disturbing my peace.
Okay.
Are you trying to ask me if I'm wanted? Are you confirming that I'm wanted?
I guess so.
So this is what, your public service? When I told you that I'm a paying customer?
Yeah. Are you Alejandro?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, well that's what we're here to figure out.
So this screams that I'm wanted?
No, I guess it wouldn't be the homelessness or that you have a lot of gear.
So you're implying, so what are you implying? Like really, like is it the fact that I'm homeless?
That your description matches someone
or that
that's
you want me to
wanted.
leave town?
No, not that I want you to leave
Alright, then,
town.
well, I already said, man, you're already disturbing my peace.
Okay.
So get out of here.
Okay, you got any ID on you?
For?
So I can see who you are. And if you're not the person we're looking for, then we'll get out of here.
At this point, you're gonna have to send another cruiser, so that way they can confirm my identity. Because of the way that you're treating me, I don't want to confirm my identity with you.
Okay.
Because see, I already told you I'm a paying customer. So like, why are you coming to me disturbing the peace? Because you're the one breaking the law right now, not me.
What law am I breaking?
Disturbing me and disturbing the public.
Okay. Well, if we get called here because someone believes that you're a wanted person, and we're coming here to confirm that, and you match the picture of a wanted person.
Okay, then show me the picture. So it's under what? So it's
I go
your
over it.
property?
Huh?
It's considered your property?
What is?
Because I was gonna point out the facial features. Apparently, that's not me.
Okay, that you have a beard?
Show me the picture again. So
I'm not
you
going to
can
show it
see
to you again.
Because clearly that's an adolescent. That's not an adult. You can tell by the facial
Okay,
features.
what's your birthday then?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Well, how am I supposed to confirm this isn't you?
Yeah.
I already told you. No. Go ahead and call somebody else because I'm not gonna confirm my identity with any of
Okay, so someone else shows up and then you'll confirm your identity.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, that way I can get your name and your name for the harassment.
My name is Peyton Overlane.
Okay, then give me your card.
I don't have a card on me.
So, unprofessional. You next? Professional? You have a card?
My card's in my office.
Okay, then you can go ahead and get that.
Here you go. Here's another person. Don't reach for nothing. Right now, you're not going to reach for anything. We're reaching for stuff.
I'm trying to put everything away so I can go outside.
No, you're not going outside right now.
We even have our captain here.
All right. There you go. So harassment, all right, that's one. They're telling me that I'm wanted, and they're trying to confirm some wanted identity. Yep. So I asked them for the picture, and he doesn't want to give it to me.
I showed it to you. I'm not giving you the piece of paper.
He has it on him right now.
Once we determine who you are, then it's fine. So
We didn't say you were
Okay,
one. We
then
just said
you
you had
push.
matched the description.
You go that way, and I'll talk to him.
no, they're gonna stay with you.
They're gonna stay with
Yep.
you. Okay, then at this time, I'm gonna go ahead and leave and get out of this town because I'm being harassed.
We're gonna identify you, and if you're not the person that's on there, then you're gonna be free to leave.
But until we determine
Okay, then give me your card and your card now.
Give us your
Because I'm
ID.
being harassed.
Give us your ID.
Just give us your ID, and then we can leave you.
Then we can call this quid pro quo, and we exchange IDs. Give me your cards.
Pull your ID out.
Show me your IDs first, and then I'll give you my ID.
Okay. My ID is
You
for
harassed me. I was not walking down the street. I was here as a paid customer.
Okay.
So therefore, I can stand this higher ground.
Not necessarily. Okay.
Also,
So
Because I have reason to believe you're a wanted
because I'm
suspect.
homeless.
show them your ID or we'll take you over to the jail and they can ID you there when they run your
I don't
test.
have an ID.
Then I guess we don't have a lot of options.
So you're saying I don't have a lot of freedoms?
I'm saying that we're gonna identify.
No, you're saying I don't have a lot of freedoms.
We're gonna identify you. One
So my baggage details my status.
Do you have your ID with you or no?
I already told you no.
What's your name?
So arrested for what? Having no ID?
What's your name?
We are gonna detain you until
For?
we can determine who you are. You can give them your name and stuff.
No, I'm alright. Go ahead and detain me.
Or not that big time.
He's going for my gun! He's got my gun!
He's got your gun. He's reaching for it. He's reaching for your gun. You let go. You let go. Shit! Hit him!
Put your arms behind your back or you're gonna get it again.
Put your arms behind your back. Other arm.
Give us your other arm or I'm gonna hit you again with the taser.
I have a broken clavicle.
Give us your other arm.
I already told you I have a broken glass.
Is he giving it to you?
I got it.
I got cuffs.
Good.
Search him.
Everyone good?
Yep.
Yeah.
Search me.
All on your side. Stay just like that. And stuff if you want.
Sit him up. Bring your legs out this way.
Swing your legs out.
Roll to your other side a little bit.
Quit! Knock it off! Quit!
Look at me, I want to remember a face.
Okay, remembered it.
I will smite you.
Oh, it's super glued.
No, it's sealed by my almighty father himself. Look at it, what does it say?
Can't read it.
Guess you can't read, huh?
He's got something down here too, man.
I'm gonna search the rest of his ankles.
Yeah, he's still got something in here.
Here, these can come down.
I think it's under this. It's something, it might be just another hat, maybe. Looks like a hat.
Another hat.
Yeah, it's the bill of a hat.
You gotta check his other leg.
Another hat. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
You got a raspberry.
Yeah, just a little mark.
My name's Seth. I just gotta check out the barbs in your chest, okay? What's your name?
Don't worry about it.
Alright, sounds good.
Peyton, are you good
No,
taking
I
him?
can
Or you want me to pull up a squad?
If you wanna pull yours up, that's fine.
Yo, get away from me.
Not gonna happen, dude. I don't listen to you.
Yeah, no don't listen to me.
Right.
You want us to pull them up for you before you go? Okay. I'm gonna have to get close and personal with you. 1, 2, 3. I'm bleeding.
Try to bend your knee.
Bend this one in.
I did not force her to leave. They were gonna.
Run up if you find out Dave.
Alright, lean back for me.
Can't.
What are you doing?
Alejandro?
No, I'm not Alejandro, man.
Alright, well, what's your name?
Alejandro. Mistaken identity, and I told the guy, hold on, he didn't even put my pants on. Me and shit. With integrity,
Hold on. Can I get these off so you don't trip?
you can take them off, yeah.
Watch your step. I'll help you up here. Watch your head.
Hold on, watch out, I have a broken clavicle.
Clavicle, what side?
Oh, you're right side, that's why I'm having a hard time. I told the guy to be here.
Watch your step.
The suspect, 35, was charged with felony attempting to disarm a peace officer, felony battery, or threat to judge, prosecutor, or law enforcement officer, and resisting obstructing. After pleading not guilty to all charges, Adon was found guilty by a music jury and was sentenced to 170 days in jail with good time granted, which lowered his sentence by 127 days meaning he served 43 more days in jail and was then released.